I know that we all gonna be alright. We gon' make it through if it takes us all night. No matter what the odds may bring our way, I can see the blessings coming our way. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Blessings on blessings, yeah. I can see the blessings coming our way. Our way, our way. Blessings on blessings, yeah. I can see the blessings coming our way.
What's up, LWSS family? Welcome back to another video. Alright, so as you can see in the title, we'll be doing the Pepsi challenge. But before we get into the video, if you're coming in for the first time, make sure you smash that subscribe button and turn on your post notification bells. Also, we'll be doing post notification shout out at the end of every video. So if you want to get a chance to get shout out, make sure you click that bell icon and comment down below when you're done. Also, give this video a nice thumbs up and scroll down to the comment section and comment while you're watching the video.
3, 2, 1, go.
Guys, I'm thirsty, you know. So, Jesus. So, now I just go like, I'm gonna start. It's not good for you.
So disgusting. You gotta bring me.
We can't do a bit of. Sorry, guys. We can't do a bit of shadows. Yeah, pure sugar, listen. Don't wait. Hey, we need one tape measure for measure.
No, I'm here with.
Eh?
I'm here with.
Try to say I drink enough. Yes, sir. Hey, you good, eh? No, Shan, you're no good, man. No, man.
Jim, stop trying to measure with you.
We can't go in there. Better almost. Yeah, this wicked one. 2 minutes and 43 seconds. 2 minutes 44.
Yeah, this is how we're getting this stuff. Hey, this is how we're getting this.
Yeah, alright, Shan.
Credits to Love Nancy and Nancy and Deidre. Deidre. Love Nancy and Deidre.
For real, man. Yeah, we still didn't do that challenge. Very nice. Can't go no more. I don't drink no more soda for years.
2021.
For years of 2021, yeah. This is the last. We can see where we reach. Let's see where we reach. And don't forget that, guys.
No, what?
Supposed to them weird down to your bottom now. Never mind. Just right there.
Yeah, because this is there. So I'm sure that
Eh? No. Guys, we don't really know it. Come.
You know where that comes from, man.
Look there, and this is you drink all along.
Normal.
With this something in there, so?
With mine.
You don't see something in the buckle?
What?
And that is you drink all along, Shan.
Why never do?
Guys, look how this look, man. See that coke, like. Watch out, gun in my mouth. No, this can't good for you.
Guys, no boost me up. 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 Boost me up.
Too rich.
You know, the one win, don't you?
Woo, of course.
Don't be drinking now. Hey, tonight, I'll piece up a bit.
You and people in bed. You're crazy. Shan, guess what means you have? Me? 25 seconds.
I'm kidding, man. Look at Rick John.
Go down the plate.
Hey, Steve. I'm judging me now. Y'all are going to do that.
Stop. What is stop? Alright. Alright, come.
I am not even go much further.
Of course.
Steve still.
Try enough this if it. No, guys.
I don't know what that go. Because he was stopping, lad.
You want to do one bonus round?
What's up?
1 minute.
No, no more.
Yeah? Come on, 1 minute, man.
Yeah, 1 minute. 1 minute.
Alright, 1 minute. Bonus round, guys.
Some wickedness. Some make the juice come through my nose.
You're good, man. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
You're good. Yeah?
it's so full.
Guys, do not drink no more soda for the rest of the year. I say, if you don't see me I drink soda, man, me have box.
I'm very good.
Yeah? Shall I say me frog? You thief! No, listen! You thief, man! How many times you let that go? You thief, man!
Not there.
Yes, no, I didn't have a drink.
Sama.
Yeah, you
Apa
thief,
yang
man.
berkelajak? Ah.
You're reminding me workouts too.
Me too.
So we should work out this.
How many?
Jay, you're supposed to do this.
Stop freaking hey. No, stop. Yes.
Hey guys. No man. A challenge I had. Good to make.
Hey, me see people drink up one more bucket.
One more bucket is.
One more bucket something.
No man.
So that's true.
That's real.
I'll vomit them.
That's a wickedness. Oh. Probably if it's cold, it would have nicer. It's hot.
If you could drink too much. Trust me, you could drink too much.
Alright guys, so this week's post notification shout out goes to Rado for life. Big up yourself, Rado. Alright guys, so remember now, if you want to get shout out in our next video, make sure you tap that notification bell.
And comment down below, that is important.
Alright, so if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a nice thumbs up. And we'll see you in another video.
Yeah. Blessings on blessings, yeah. I can see the blessings coming our way.